Hi, good morning. I'm Marty. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be going over problems in Wayne Winston's Microsoft Excel 2019 Data Analysis and Business Modeling. We will work on problem 4 in chapter 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how the butterfly effect works, not just in theory, but visually, right here in Excel. We'll use a simple math formula that shows how tiny changes at the beginning can cause huge differences later on. This is known as chaos theory, and it's mind-blowing how easy it is to see. So here's the plan. We're going to model something called the logistic map, which follows the formula xt plus 1 equals a times xt times 1 minus xt. It looks a bit complicated, but don't worry. It's actually super simple once you understand what each part means. In this equation, xt is your current state. Think of it like the temperature, population, or any system value. Xt plus 1 is the next state. What happens after one time step? A is a constant that controls how chaotic the system is. 1 minus xt limits the growth. It's what keeps things going from infinite. So the formula says take the current value, multiply it by 4, and then multiply it by 1 minus the current value. That's it. Let's jump into Excel. We'll start off over here in K4 and enter 0.3. Then over here in L4, we will take 0.3 plus the delta over here in G3. Next, we will take the formula equals 4 times K5 times 1 minus K5. Hit enter and we'll drop that down. Next, we'll go over here and use a very similar formula. Just copy and paste and drop that down. You can see the formulas over here on the right hand side. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to plot both columns in a chart. So we're going to highlight this over here, drop down all the way to the bottom. We'll go into insert and we want a stacked line. Bring that over here and voila. So at first you can see that both lines look identical, but watch closely. After about 20 to 30 steps, you'll see the two lines start to drift apart. So what's happening here? Essentially, this is the butterfly effect. Two systems that start almost at the same eventually become completely different. This formula is deterministic. It's not random. But it's nonlinear, meaning small changes grow exponentially. This is the same principle behind weather prediction. So, a butterfly flaps its wings in Tahiti, and weeks later, it changes the weather in Texas. Our model shows that perfectly here. The difference of 0.00001 grows into completely different results. So that's the butterfly effect, visualized using Excel. If this helped you understand chaos theory, give a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want me to build more Excel-based science or math visualizations. Thanks for stopping by.